As we approach the upcoming elections, tensions are already high. Political leaders on both sides have ramped up their rhetoric, painting opposing views as dangerous to the country's future. Unfortunately, this kind of language can lead to anger, protests, and, at worst, violence. It's crucial to stay safe, especially during and after the elections. One of the best ways to do this is by using gray man tactics, which are all about blending in, staying low-key, and avoiding unnecessary confrontations. So in this video, we're going to break down some simple gray man strategies, along with some common sense tips to help you navigate this potentially volatile time. So what is the gray man strategy? We probably all know the gray man concept is about staying under the radar. Imagine yourself as a ghost. You're there, but you're unnoticed. By not drawing attention to yourself, you lower the risk of being targeted during any unrest or conflict. This doesn't mean you're hiding or you're running away. It simply means you're choosing to keep a low profile to protect yourself and those you care about. Key gray man tactics for election time. Clothing choices. Blend in. One of the simplest ways to be a gray man is through your clothing. Avoid wearing anything that clearly signals your political beliefs. Stick to neutral colors. Think grays, browns, dark blues. Avoid slogans, logos, or anything that might attract attention. The goal is to dress in a way that makes you look more ordinary, like just another person in the crowd. Stay off the radar and mind what you say. In times of tension, it's best to avoid heated discussions about politics in public or on social media. Even a simple comment can escalate quickly, as you might already know, and you don't want to get caught in a confrontation. So limit your social media presence over the next couple weeks, especially posts that reveal strong opinions about the election. It's not about hiding your beliefs, it's about prioritizing safety over statements. Avoid large gatherings. Keep your distance. Protests, rallies, and even celebratory gatherings can turn chaotic. Even if a gathering starts peacefully, it can become unpredictable fast. If you find yourself in or near a crowd, make sure you have a clear exit strategy. Look for side streets, open doors, or ways to distance yourself without attracting attention. Stay aware. Keep your head on a swivel. Awareness is key to staying safe. Whether you're walking through a city, sitting in a cafe, or driving through a neighborhood, pay attention to your surroundings. Listen to your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Be prepared to leave quickly if the mood shifts or if tensions rise. Limit information sharing. Protect your privacy. Be mindful of who you talk to about your voting plans or political opinions. Sharing information, even casually, could make you a target for someone with opposing views. This doesn't mean you can't have personal conversations, but it's wise to be selective about who you share with and where you share it. Common sense tips after the election. Have an emergency plan. It's always wise to have a basic emergency plan in place anyway, but this is especially true during potential volatile times like an election. Know your evacuation routes from your home, work, and common places you go to. Make sure your family members know the plan too. Stock up now and be prepared. Make sure you have all your essentials on hand, your food, your water, your medical supplies, a full tank of gas, and some cash. This doesn't mean you're preparing for doomsday. It's simply being ready for any disruptions, like protests blocking roads or stores closing early. Be kind, not confrontational. And this is a hard one. Tensions can be high after an election, and it's easy for arguments to start over really small things. If someone confronts you, try to stay calm and polite. Avoid provoking or escalating the situation. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a strategy for staying safe and keeping the peace. Stay prepared, not paranoid. We're living in challenging times, and it's important to be aware of potential dangers while staying grounded in reality. Gray man tactics aren't about fear, they're about staying safe, calm, and prepared. As we get closer to Election Day and its aftermath, whatever that will be, remember that your safety and that of your loved ones comes first. Staying low-key and aware will help you navigate these uncertain times while avoiding unnecessary risks. So stay safe, be smart, and remember that it's better to be prepared than caught off guard.